15:7. Myself, Mahita Sudhini. Today, we are going to present our project on analyzing movie industry trends and box office performance using visualization techniques. Our project falls under the entertainment and media domain. We focused on understanding the evolution of the movies over the years by studying various factors such as genre, rating, budgets, revenue, and regional production trends. The main motivation behind this project was to uncover patterns in how movies perform financially and critically. We wanted to identify which genre are most successful, how budgets relate to revenues, and how audience preferences shift across different regions and language. Our problem statement was to assess global developments in movie genre and revenue trends, and study the relationship between ratings and box office success. We also aimed to empower stakeholders like producers, studios, and investors to make better creative and financial decisions based on data driven insights. For this, we used two major datasets. One is the IMDb movie dataset, which contains movie titles, genre, release years, audience and critic ratings, and basic production details. The other one is the box office revenue dataset, which provides comprehensive financial information, including domestic and international revenues, budgets, and opening weekend earnings. To make this clear, like to make these insights more interactive and user friendly, we used a combination of technologies. We used Python for data cleaning and transformation, Tableau for initial storytelling and creating interactive dashboards, D3JS for developing dynamic web visualizations that allow users to filter, hover, and explore different trends easily. The goal was not just to visualize the data, but to enable users to interactively discover trends in movie productions, analyze revenue success, observe genre popularity changes, and explore ratings over time. Ultimately, our website acts as an interactive platform where users can explore movie industry insights through dynamic charts, maps, and dashboards. We have hosted our website on GitHub. So, yeah, it offers a deeper and more engaging way to understand how the global movie industry has evolved, highlighting what makes a movie successful in today's world. Thank you. And further will be continued by my teammate Praneet.
Yeah, thank you, Maita. Hello, everyone. This is Pranit Sangita. So, diving into our project to make the visualizations dynamic and accessible, we have created multiple charts using Tableau Public. We then generated embedded codes from Tableau and integrated them directly into the front end of our application. This allows users to view and interact with the charts live on the website without needing to download or open external files. So, coming to the key insights, we have genre popularity, production trends, revenue drivers, and impact of release times. In these visualizations, we focused on analyzing movie genres, production trends, and their relationships to box office performance. Coming to the visualization score by genre visualization, here we are displaying a visualization from Tableau that shows the total IMDb scores accumulated by each genre. On the left, we can see different genres such as action, adventure, animation, comedy, and so on. The darker the color and the higher the number, the greater the overall IMDb score accumulated by that genre. Drama leads by a wide margin with a score count of around 122,000, followed by action, comedy, and animation genres. Genres like TV, movie, war, and music have comparatively lower score totals, indicating their fewer productions or lower engagement. This visualization highlights that while action and adventure dominate box office revenues, genres like drama have much larger volume of production and audience engagement. When we look at the scoring activity, This tells us that the popularity in the production and success at the box office are not always the same. Now, coming to our data sets, we started by loading two data sets, IMDb ratings and box office revenue. We clean and pre-process the box office data by removing dollar signs, commas, and converting financial figures into numeric types. Next, we merge the two data sets using the movie names as the common key. We ensured there were no duplicates to maintain clean and accurate data for analysis. We then selected important financial and rating columns like budget, revenue, worldwide gross, domestic gross, and IMDb score. We computed a correlation matrix to understand how these variables are related. For example, we observed a strong positive correlation between budget and worldwide gross, as well as revenue. This means that generally higher budget movies tend to earn more. We also visualize the correlation matrix using the heat map as shown. The darker red squares indicate strong positive correlations, while blue squares represent weaker or negative correlations. This visual helps us quickly identify which factors move together, such as budget and the worldwide revenue, and which do not, such as score and budget. Finally, we built an interactive scatter plot using Plotly Express. Each dot represents a movie where the axis shows the movie's budget and the x-axis shows the movie's budget and y-axis shows the worldwide gross. Different colors represent different genres. We can clearly see that while higher budget movies often achieve higher worldwide gross, there are many lower budget films that also perform well, indicating variability based on genre, quality, and market factors. The final analysis shows that while budget plays an important role in movie success, other factors like genre, possibly the movie quality, uh, also influence overall box office performance. Thank you, everyone. Now my teammate Magna will take forward.
Thank you, Pranit. I'm Meghana. Now let's talk about D3JS visualizations. D3JS is a JavaScript library that helps create dynamic and interactive data visualizations directly in the browser. It's more powerful than static charts because it lets the user to actually explore the data. Here we have created different kinds of charts for getting different perspectives of the data. So this is a bar chart showing top 10 movies by worldwide gross. Then the top movie is Avengers with highest worldwide gross of this. And when we hover over the bar charts, we can see the tooltip showing name of the movie and its gross value, and followed by the Avatar movie. We can see the x-axis showing all the movie names and the y-axis respectively. And this is a bubble chart showing budget versus revenue graph. We can see the budget and revenue values, and uh, it's clear that if it's a high budget movie and it's gonna end up with a high revenue. And the size of each bubble shows the volume of the revenue. This is a line chart showing average ratings over years. We can see that the ratings are consistent and they stay between 6 to 7 over the years from 2000 to 2024 on x-axis, and ratings are 0 to 10 on y-axis. And here comes the genre distribution pie chart. This shows all different kinds of genres available on the dataset, and the highest movies are in action movies. And it is followed by drama. Each of the genre are differentiated by different colors, and we can see which color stands for what in the lesson section. And the first is action, the second place goes to drama with 493 movies, and the third is comedy movies. We can see the genres breakdown in Treemap. This area of each rectangle, we can see that action comes first because it has more area in the tree map, and followed by drama, and next comes comedy movies. So the size of the each shape shows that there are many more movies in different kinds of genres. The very last and small rectangle shows that there is very less movies in the genre. They are differentiated by different colors so that it is easier for the user to identify each genre easily. And finally, here comes the stacked area chart. It is also using different colors to show different genres. And x-axis shows years from 2000 to 2022, and y-axis shows number of movies. We can see that each color of the genre here, blue is indicated by drama. So we are using three attributes here: year, number of movies, and the genre name. These are the visualizations created using D3JS, and this is the code we used for D3JS charts. We are loading the dataset, merged movies dataset, and performing the actions on the dataset to finally get a D3JS chart. Each chart has different file in under the D3 folder with its own name. And these are called in the D3JS visualizations HTML file. And the whole website is deployed in GitHub and published in the GitHub pages. Thank you.